When I first came to the company where I am today, Sourcegraph, I was tasked with building the recruiting function from the ground up. And I knew the first thing that I needed to get outside of LinkedIn Recruiter was BrightHire. BrightHire solves so many problems that I have historically had as a recruiting leader to streamline our interview process, to make candidates happier, to make my recruiters happier and more efficient, and ultimately to help our hiring managers hire the best candidate possible. In an all-remote company in particular, BrightHire allows my recruiters to be so in tandem and in sync with their hiring managers. This allows them to be more effective at their job. It allows them to recruit the right profile faster. It allows them to have and inspire confidence with their hiring managers that a lot of recruiters, it can take years to get. It obviously allows us to speed up our interview process, less repetition of questions asked, more efficiency. We're able to not have analysis paralysis in making decisions on candidates because we actually have the data, the recorded interviews to go back and reference. We have a lot of insight that BrightHire provides to us to make really smart and equitable decisions, which ultimately allows us to land the best candidate for the job. One of the things that BrightHire has done to help us prevent implicit bias from influencing our hiring decisions has been to really enforce standardization for every candidate, ensuring that we are giving each candidate a fair and equitable experience, but also that to the best of our ability, we're removing any bias that we may unconsciously have. It helps to provide a good candidate experience, ultimately. If we're moving faster, if we're more decisive, if we're more standardized in the way that we're asking our questions, all of those things influence how we're treating our candidate throughout the process, the candidate experience, and ultimately that influences whether or not a candidate is going to accept